Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off a picture-in-picture function for our applications. How to disable applications from using picture-in-picture function in our phone. We need to go to Settings, then Applications menu, next three-dot menu here, and Special Access. And here we have picture-in-picture functions. If we don't want our application to use this function, we can just simply turn it off by tapping it. No need to save, back out to our home screen, and that's it. Very easy to do. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.